Yeah, boy.
Valet parking has my keys, and I don't know where the valet parking is because they're not out here no more. And now I'm locked up in the hospital. Yay. Yo, this one guy just got defensive. Hold on, Skipper. Everything's cool, Skipper. I'm a huge Elvis fan, too. Nobody's saying I'm Elvis. Nobody's saying I sing better than Elvis. Nobody sings better than Elvis, dog. Elvis is the goddamn king. I'm probably a bigger Elvis fan than you, buggin'. I think they're comparing me to Elvis's path, though, to be serious. Like, you gotta think, when Elvis first started out, it was in Tennessee, Memphis. I mean, I know he's from Tupelo, but when he started cracking down on music, he was doing it in Tennessee. And he broke into black cultured music, just as I did. And everyone was like, you don't need to do that. And he's like, F that, I'm doing it anyways. And then he blew up and branched out and did all kind of music. That's what I'm doing. And the reason that I chose to do a cover of If I Can Dream by Elvis is because it's a very moving song. And personally, I think the generation, or not the generation, the time we're living in right now, dude, go listen to the lyrics. People need to hear it. Artists need to try and grab songs like that are timeless and carry them through time and help pass on the torch of that song so people can find the original one, if you ask me. And my favorite part of that whole song is the part where he says, we're lost in a cloud with too much rain. We're trapped in a world that's troubled with pain. But as long as a man has the strength to dream, he can redeem his soul and fly. Yeah, motherfuckers need to hear that now. I don't know what was going on downtown, but I think we just heard a lot of gunshots. Yeah, I'm too high for this shit. I don't want to beer. Alright, to all my workers who work for me, it's a lot easier to do this than to text everybody. I just got back from the hospital. Don't call my phone unless it's an emergency. I love you guys. Your boy is going to sleep. Oh, my buddy from high school found a skate video he made of me and all my friends back in the day, and he sent me my part of the skate video. Bro, have you ever ran over a fat ass possum going 60 on a Harley? I just did. Scary. Jeremiah Blevins from Somerset, Kentucky, bro. Thank you for the Circle K gift card. That's cool. Hell yeah, appreciate it. Toasted Hawaiian bread, peanut butter, and banana. White Lightning music video. What year was that when we look? We buried some. What was it? 2017. Yeah. Ray, my buddy Ray, hometown buddy, let me shoot a music video at his house, and we buried those albums on his property, and they're still there to this day, ain't they? You come check them out. And you ain't gonna find them neither. Baby Stitches. Look at it. Which one of y'all's the owner? Hell yeah. Deerdorf, where'd you get those glasses?
From my steel weed eater packet.
Hell
it's
yeah.
Steel on the side of them.
Hell yeah. You know what that is. Me and Deerdorf right here, bruh. Man, I guarantee you we walked 100 miles on this road in our childhood. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Back home to Mama Hen.
Hey. I love you, Millie.
I love you.
I love you more. Yes, you're fun.
Hey guys, here's a video of me skateboarding when I was 13 years old. 40-year-old man comments casually, "Oh, were you gay?" The fuck? Everybody always laughs and they're like, "Oh, you're so silly. You're so silly." When you say something about simulation theory or something. But here's the thing. I posted some shit about it last night on my story and it got deleted. It got removed for inciting harm. If it's not that serious, then why is it getting deleted for inciting harm? Think about that. Deja vu. Why the fuck do we have deja vu? How come you can be somewhere you ain't never been before and be like, I know this place to a T, and you can explain it and be like, there's going to be a white barn a mile down the street, and you'll get a mile down the street to a place you've never been before, and then voila, there's a big fucking white barn. How? I mean, look, dude, there's a few things that happen in my day-to-day life that I'm just like, what? That's weird. That made me even start looking it up. For instance, buying a new car. Every time you buy a new car and you're like excited and you're thinking about that new car and driving it around, what happens? You pass a ton of whatever kind of car you're driving. I mean, what's the big deal? It's just a theory. I mean, look, I believe in God, but if somebody's going to show me some facts or can show me some facts about some other shit, I'm not just going to ignore the facts. I'm going to be like, that's interesting. Tell me some more. Well, if they keep deleting it and don't let nobody talk about it, then what the